Hello everyone. Let's take a moment to reflect upon the latest renewable energy updates in India for the month of February 2026. Number 1. The Union Energy Budget promotes India's renewable energy transition. Now, India's renewable energy transition got a huge boost from the recently concluded Union Budget for 2026-2027. The government has increased the capital expenditure in this year's budget for renewable energy to Rs 12.2 lakh crore. This will further accelerate the adoption of renewable energy and the build-out of infrastructure for supporting India's energy transition. Now, in addition to this, schemes such as the PM Surya Ghar and PM Kusum Yojana have received further funding, and this will help promote the adoption of solar energy across the country. Technologies such as clean energy storage or battery energy storage systems and critical minerals have also received support. This will further help India increase its domestic production and increase its energy security. Number 2, Punjab floats a 1 GWh battery energy storage system tender. Now, the Punjab State Power Corporation Limited or PSPCL has recently floated a tender for 500 megawatt and 1000 megawatt hour or 1 gigawatt hour of battery energy storage systems. Now, these batteries will be installed in 2 different locations in Punjab. Tender will be awarded through a competitive bidding process. Through the use of these large-scale battery energy storage systems, the state will further improve its energy security, its energy reliability, and its energy quality. Number 3, India's next big energy leap: solar, batteries, and grid. Now, according to a recent study, India will require at least $145 billion every year in order to scale its solar, battery and grid infrastructure as per its targets. As solar and wind capacities continue to grow at a rapid pace, the need for grid urbanization and grid modernization is becoming more important. Without any adequate storage and grid infrastructure capabilities, problems such as grid instability and renewable energy curtailment could only increase. Storage and grid infrastructure expansion now form an intangible part of India's energy journey. In other news, NTPC Green Energy has recently added 125 megawatt worth of solar at its Bhadla solar plant in Rajasthan. Now, this brings the total installed energy capacity to about 8,813 megawatt. So, Maharashtra has signed a major investment agreement in the month of February 2026 worth over Rs 10,800 crore. This agreement seeks to boost investment into solar and battery energy storage project infrastructure across the state. Bihar Energy Regulatory Commission has admitted a proposal to procure 190 megawatt of hybrid solar and wind and battery energy storage based power. Now, this is used to further strengthen the reliability of its energy grid. Thank you for watching and follow us for more such videos.